Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are ready, adequate disk, RAM, and a service account for the database. Once that's confirmed, choose your SQL engine, MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQL Server, and run the installer. Follow defaults for development, customize paths for production. While installing, set the admin password and enable the DB service to start automatically. Make sure to open the appropriate port, 3306 or 5432, in the firewall so clients can reach the server. Once installed, initialize the data directory and select a character set and collation. UTF-8MB4 is recommended for broad compatibility. You then tune core settings, allocate buffer pool or shared buffers, set query cache or work mem conservatively, and set max connections to match typical concurrency. After tuning, create the initial database, an admin user for management, a backup user with read-only access, and a restricted app user with only needed privileges. These steps establish performance and security baselines before going live. You finish by validating the setup, run CLI and remote client connections, execute sample schema creation and read/write queries, and confirm replication or clustering if used. Next, enable automated backups and monitoring, schedule full backups and frequent incrementals, test restores to a sandbox. Make sure TLS is configured for remote access and rotate admin keys. If something goes wrong, check the database logs first, then disk space, firewall/port blocks, and user permissions. These are the most common root causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.